Car Story research indicates this vehicle as low miles and loaded with features. Features also include remote start, keyless ignition, steering wheel controls, Uconnect system, hands-free Bluetooth integration, and has been listed as an IIHS Top Safety Tick. With these ratings, we are pleased to show you the 2014 Cherokee. This vehicle is powered by a four-wheel drive, four-cylinder, 2.4-liter engine, and comes with an automatic transmission. This vehicle has less than 95,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: tire pressure monitor, four-wheel drive, aluminum wheels, rear spoiler, brake assist, traction control, stability control, daytime running lights, tires, front all-terrain, tires, rear all-terrain. Inside you'll find smart device integration, keyless entry, satellite radio, auxiliary audio input, steering wheel audio controls, MP3 player, cruise control, trip computer, child safety locks, power door locks. Come see the car for yourself.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.